Hello students, welcome to the study tutor. Learn with fun from the best online tutor. We help our students gain confidence in solving mathematical and accounting problems through online coaching. Have a classroom learning experience. Our services are online coaching for mathematics for grade 9, 10, 10 through 1-to-1 and group tuition. Online coaching for accountancy for grade 11, 10, 12 through 1-to-1 and group tuition. The online coaching is available for Maharashtra State Board, CBSE Board and more. These are words from our happy students. Click our website link in the description box and go through more testimonials. So what are you waiting for? Click our website link in the description box and enroll for a demo lecture now. We are waiting for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Stay safe and keep learning. Take care. Bye.